80 of Laravel 9 tutorial in which we are creating the multi-vendor e-commerce website. So in this video we are going to display new Ravel bestseller as well as the discounted products. Okay, new Ravel bestseller and discounted products. So these we are going to show here. I'm going to open the home page and still see these links are still pending. New arrivals we have not done so far, bestseller featured also, okay, and discounted as well. Okay, one thing I missed here, bestseller featured also, featured and discounted products. Okay, now it is fine. So these four links we are going to work on this one. So like see, we are going to work in the same way, like if we will search something like tops. Okay, if we search, now we are going to pass it here. Okay, like here we are going to pass something like new arrivals like this. Then if we will click, then the all the new arrivals products will come like bestsellers. Okay, so it will make our task easier. Then we will provide the links. So I'm going to show you that how we're going to do. So we're going to do it right now. So I'm going to open the listing function in products controller here at front. Okay, so here we are going to open this one in else condition, and here we are going to add all here. Okay, so we are going to add all conditions here, and what we are going to do here, this one is search condition, we are going to put in else. I'm going to do it like this. Okay, so here I will do some other condition. I'm going to add the condition like if dollar request uh, search new levels. Okay, so here we're going to add one more condition. Okay, so let's add first this one, and in else condition I'm going to add this one. Okay, category products up till here I'm going to put in else condition. Okay, so in if condition we are going to add here, I'm going to copy this one and we'll paste, then we're going to make changes. Like if the product if we want to search for the new level product, we want to show the new level products, then here also we're going to make changes, like we are going to make changes here like breadcrumbs. Here we're going to make it like new levels, and in category name as well we're going to use here new levels as well. Okay, so here we're going to use new arrival products. Okay, so here we are going to add here, okay, so here we need to add the condition. I'm going to remove this one is not required, so I'm going to remove this one up till here, and now here we are going to add the condition like where products dot new arrival. We are going to see here in the products table that what is the exact column, new underscore. Okay, so here is nothing like new arrivals, so we are going to show the latest products at the top. This is the simple thing we are going to add, so no condition is required for this one. So here just we are required to add the order by. Okay, like order by id. Here we're going to add here the id descending. Okay, so I think it will do our job. See, let's see. So all the latest products will come at the top if you will search the new level like this. Okay, so here you can see the id will come at the top. This is the ninth id, then 8th, then 7th, then 6th, then 5th, then 4th. So it is showing the latest products at the top. See, new products at the top. so it is working fine. Like this is the ninth product, okay, and this is the eighth product. You can see its id, okay. So the new products are coming at the top. So our new rebels page is ready. So this is the new rebel products, okay, home, new rebels. And now after this one, here also we can add everywhere new rebel products, okay, so that I think it will look better. New rebel products, okay, new also we can new rebels, or we can make it new rebel, whatever we want to show, we can make it new rebel, only new rebel products, like this, okay. So font you can update at your end. So these are the new rebel products. So now we are going to work on the bestseller. Okay, for the bestseller we are going to add one more condition. I'm going to copy this one, will paste here, and here I will make it else, and here I'm going to make it like, instead of new rebels, I'm going to make it like bestsellers, okay. So here I'm going to give it like best sellers. So here best seller, okay. So here we are going to add we are going to remove this one is not required, and instead of this one we are going to add the condition where products dot we are going to pick the column from where is underscore bestseller, okay, is underscore bestseller is must be equal to yes, okay. Only those products that are added as the bestseller we are going to show, only those products, okay. So I'm going to make it like, go to see bestsellers, like this. So now the bestsellers of products are coming, these are the bestseller products, and these we are managing from the admin panel, okay. So here we can update these products as well. So here you can go in the products, and here you can open any of the product, add edit, okay, edit, and here you can see, if we will uncheck, then this product will gone away, like this product, this mobile will be gone away from the bestseller. If I will remove, then it will be not shown from the bestseller products. Now only these five products are coming in the bestseller, okay. So these bestseller we are managing from the end panel, and in the same way we are managing the featured products as well, featured, okay, featured as well. So for the featured we are going to add the same condition as well, and see if the products are featured, okay. So we will add here the featured, and here we're going to make it featured, featured products is underscore featured, okay. So now we are going to add here featured, okay. So these are all featured products, and if we will remove any products like featured also, I'm going to remove from here, and it will not show featured here as well, okay. So these are the featured products. So now the discounter products, so another condition we are going to add, and this time see we will show the products that are on discount, okay. Like if I will open the men section, and here you can see two products are on discount, and we will consider the product discount, and product discount is given here. Here we will check out the product discount, and if the product discount is greater than 0, then we will add the condition for this one. Like if the product discount is greater than 0, then we're going to show all those products that have the product discount is greater than 0. So here we will make it like the discounter this time, discounter, like this, okay. And here we are going to add the condition like this product discount, what it is, product underscore discount, product underscore discount is greater than 0, is greater than 0, okay. So now we are going to show here the those products that are on discount, okay. So now we're going to show these, okay, like I'm going back, and here search equal to discounter, So only those products that are on discount, that are coming, only three products are on discount, and those are showing. Okay, so here also correct this one, like we are going to show here the discounted products, so we will make it like discounted here as well, discounted products. Okay, so here we are showing now discounted products. So these links we are going to update in the header. So I'm going to open here the header.blade.php file at the front and going to modify these links. Like for the featured, I'm going to add, we will start from here. Like I'm going to add here the link, sorry, URL, and I'm going to pick, I'm going to do it like this. I'm going to pick like search products URLs, this one. And first I'm going to copy this all in. Okay, I'm going to replace it. And now this one is for new levels. After that for bestsellers, and after that featured, and after that discounted. Okay, and this one we can make it like is greater than 10% at least. Okay, as we have added the discount, at least it is more than 10%. Okay, so now see it is working fine, and you can see here new level, we can click here new level products. Okay, come bestseller products come. Okay, and featured products come. Okay, and discounted, all discounted products come. So all these links are working fine. And now in the next video we will do something else. That's all for now, and also we are going to add the new payment gateway. Let's see which payment gateway we are going to do. So along with the payment gateway, more things we are going to do. And always subscribe and join the channel to get the complete source code. Like I always explain you, that you must join the channel to compare the source code at your end, so that you can resolve the issues yourself. Okay, around about 200 videos are going to be over by next month. Only 20 videos are left now. Okay, so we are going to close this project. Still few things we are going to do, but if you want to get the complete source code, then you can always join the channel, and you can always subscribe to get the more updates, more laravel updates, react updates. Okay, so that's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.